All right, so this, well, I got my eyes watering. Okay, so this got me 4 sneezes. All right. Let's try. You can hear my voice starting to get Vin Diesel-y now. This is gonna be painful, by the way. Anyone has any comments or suggestions for things that make you sneeze? Oh, it burns. Oh, it's in my eyes now.